If you're experiencing FPS drops while playing Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming performance. Follow these simple steps to help enhance your gameplay experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the game. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components for better performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can significantly improve game performance and fix compatibility issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game options. Reducing settings such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing can help increase FPS and reduce lag during gameplay. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 5. Optimize game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of game files. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Call of Duty. Enjoy your gaming experience.